Good morning. Here we are at the duck pond. It's Tuesday, 21 degrees Celsius. Beautiful morning. It's about 8 o'clock. And this is going to be the maiden flight of the black Zino. And this is what I got. Got a nice little bag. It's kind of awkward and funny, but serves the purpose. And there's the black Zino. And inside the bag we have the black controller. And the bag holds an extra battery, and it's got some pockets on the side, and you even get the little jumper cable jumper if you want to update the controller. So that's what you get. And it's a black one. So let's unfold it and see what it looks like. Sorry about this. Okay. And all I've done to this is I've started it up and I've updated nothing. It came with the latest firmware 1.1.52 and the latest camera 3.6, and I've got the Android S7 Edge phone with the 1.6.9 app. And when I went through all the settings of the Zino, it was set, the speeds were set at 25%. So out of the box it comes at 25%. So that should be a nice, smooth, slow, cinematic view. I've got a 64 gig, I believe, no, 32 gig extreme SanDisk. It's a U1, I believe. So we're going to try that. I'm only going to film in 2.7K because I have no use for 4K. But 2.7 gives a little bit better clarity when you render it down to 1080p. So this is what we got. So we're going to take it for a flight. I'm going to set this camera up to watch the takeoff, and we're going to go from there. So we'll come back when I get things set up. Hi, Bella. Okay, we're back. Here we go. Okay, we're at the duck pond, and we've just set up the Zino, the black one, right out of the box, and done all my settings. Excuse me. It's a beautiful day. Duck pond. There's some geese, there's some ducks, and this is going to be the very first maiden flight. The very first maiden flight of the black Zino, and I'll try and get some hand shots of the black Zino closer up once we see if it even flies. So we're doing auto takeoff. Here we go. And whoa, there's the drop. So right off the bat, it's not doing anything. That's not good. It didn't go up. So let's try this again. Let's land it. Stop the motor. And try it again. See what happens. We've got 16 satellites, 96% on the battery. We've got 75% in the controller. Do this again. And it's about 2 feet off the ground. It's going a little higher. Up and down. Bella! So that's pretty straight. That's pretty... I don't know what that original one was. Let's have a closer look at this. Okay, here's a close look. in. I'm going to put this back on the truck. See it there. Let's bring it up a bit. Let's see if we can angle this up a bit. There we go. So I can go that high. Let's go backwards a bit. Okay.